This is my house. It's not big, and it's not small, but I like it. 3 people live here. This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Matt.
This is David.
Hello, my name's David.
And that's me.
Hi, Helen. Pleased to meet you.
So there are 3 people, but there are 4 bedrooms. So today is interview day.
What's your job?
I'm a jazz musician.
Really? What do you play?
The drums.
But he's very quiet. And friendly. No dogs.
Sorry. £150 a month. Great.
No.
£150 a week. Sorry. Where are you from?
Edinburgh, but my job's in Oxford.
Good.
This is a nice house.
Thanks. We're happy here. Okay. Okay, and
Cigarette?
I don't smoke. We don't smoke. Do we?
No.
We don't smoke.
Oh,
Sorry. This is terrible.
Who's next?
Her name's Jane. She's number 8. She's the last. So, Jane, tell us about yourself.
tell you what.
Anything?
I'm from Brighton. I'm a drama teacher. I don't smoke. I like films, good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Italian, French, Chinese.
Do you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
Do you have a dog?
No.
Cat?
No.
No animals.
Do you play the drums?
No.
The trombone? Violin? Saxophone?
Nothing.
That's great. Jane, it's your room.
Fantastic.
When can you move in?
Next week?
This week?
Tomorrow?
Sure.
Welcome to 53 Blackwood Road.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So now, there are 4 of us.